Ugoko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Deda mumenye Gen Z ne kuga atia kana Gen Z generation neriko. In short, Gen Z ni Generation Z. That's the meaning. Gen Z, Generation Z. Na higwa muno nile mirurugano ino. Ĩrerirwo ni mirurugano ya Gen Z, yani generation area eho. Anake anini, airetu anini, na nimuronire niyo marumirete street ini. And in one of the video Dashmania nayo, hena muduroga atiriri, this generation ni kwenda onayo irugamirwo thini wa bunge KKK. Tamurega video aka, ladies and gentlemen, then I'll be back.
We need a Gen Z political party. I repeat, we need a Gen Z political party. We need a Gen Z president. We need Gen Z governors. We need Gen Z senators. We need Gen Z MPs. We need Gen Z women reps. We need Gen Z NCAs. We need to make this list ASAP. Ikifika 2027, na hata sioni ikifika. We put our Gen Z government in place. And they need to appoint Gen Z ministers. Gen Z, we need the list. Gen Z political party.
Generation Z, eno ni generation thirikari yagereirwo ni gwitigira. Niki aya ni anake na airetu anini mathomete, angi me cukuru, angi ni mareketie guthoma, no matigutire mundu wonete wira. Andu ni mathomire but still gutire na wira. Then eno generation hii kana andu aya ai no urenda ku impose tax kurio indo-ini, ati migate-ini, kugura indo, even parts, padi, kugura padi, indo iria basic generation ino iguragira. No matire wira. Marahaso mundu agathie akehurithania akona tubesha tunini na kindu kiu kinini arenda kugura, ati kwiko ni agia mwana diapers, agikone mucii mugate, agikone airetu parts. Indo ici nini na basic andu aya magi afford kuga kana iria maguraga nicio urenda ku impose tax, na andu ni mathomete na gutire na employment, because there is no employment in Kenya. That's one thing. Na thikani ni agiro kumenya atirere gutire na employment, na mavijana wa chuma ya zingine na kio kwa higo ciothe ni TikTok, tap 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 tap, manaka nimekuona ofosho. This generation yamra city ne, they have nothing to lose because already mutorere ni mahorete kedo matina mawera utina wawe ikara, yani maikareti ora uguo. So do they have anything to lose? Do we have anything to lose? So Mother Street ne, they can do anything. Na ikiro nile maumerete na uru muingi muno generation Z ino toni na kia nini marigwo mekorora nako, marigwo taxi ici ye meti oi, alafu ifaro mundu athiaga rĩngĩ kia $300 magana macio ona ai nicio rĩngĩ aragũra nacio mũgate tuindo basic twa mũciĩ, mbeca cigathira, agatera mũthenya ũcio ũngĩ athie thũkũme mangĩ make matatũ, agoka magatũmĩra cigathira, rĩngĩ magana macio matatũ ĩ rĩngĩ arageria kũiga igana o mũthenya, at least akona cia rent. This generation, they have nothing to lose. Todo thirikari ni amarekereirie andu mathomire no gutire na mawera, andu mathomire no mumana guku mundu thomete agathi university agathoma kothi nene, mundu athite college magathoma mena mathomo, but mumana guku nja tamakin gutiri undu uroka, then ugiaterere wabe kuma tax, they go to the streets. Na nina ni generation ingi wagwan gutire mundu wa matogoririe, gutire mwana siasa ora meire ntuthie. They said nimeguthie, and that's what exactly they did. Na thikari ni agiro gutekia muno, ni agiro kumenyera muno, tondu generation ino kana gikundi gikireta Gen Z ni gikundi kigiko no rito munene muno. I'm sure mundu maya mangienderea Gen Z iko ni gikundi gikira mukana na mukwambie kuna vijana makenyitwo, and that's what exactly will happen. Maundu maya maendelea mamirũrũngano ĩno yendere megwo kama uyaterere ati gikundi gĩkĩ kĩa Gen Z nĩ gĩkundi gĩkĩre mũkana. So every time rĩngĩ ma youths mono harĩa mta kana tahau mega kundi magekĩrwo Drover magatwarwo industrial area, ma youths mono me handũ ũguo manyitagwo oro ũguo. But what will do? What will we do? Because thirikari yokete na kahinyĩrĩria andũ. The unfortunate thing ona gucio ni undu uri uramakia ati tax ikongero jina go treat murimu wa cancer. By the way, ado me serious. No okire na idea yo. Okira maige facilities cia starare hiyo cia kurigita murimu wa cancer. Now makauga ati tax ikongero thini wa kurigita murimu wa cancer. Aterere mbeca cia Kenya ciretwaragwo India. Mirimo ya cancer tiritagirwo kuo. Who came with this idea? Because that idea is very stupid. Ona matiramenyera andu a Kenya. Akenya matiramenyera ni atongoria ao. Ati imagine murimo wa cancer ukokerero tax. How? Thirikari is serious. No. Kwina handu atarathi wega kitwarie ma padi tu ciongererwo kana ciongererwo ni ma rivatire indo imwe auga wa padi ti ni iria imported tiria locally made ciongererwo tu ciongererwo andu mekure macinani ni meko afford. Then Westomagira do rugo rekora do mato me sponge. Rekora tuiri toni to atome ma sponge. Of which nyamota sponge ugetomera. Ekore gocokera herege ido ta UTI. Kana miri mwege. Because you know women are very sensitive. Diapers. Ora liwashe no ukoro huana ate reu. Kire ndori kenene atiriri tondu already taxes ni ciongeirwo kundu kuingi kindu ta NSSF andu marehagio maita maingi house review kiongerwo na taxes ingi cikuuwe mbeca icio ni ate ciambite gwika angikoni ciikite undu then tungirona hena ki mwihoko no angiko ti undu ciikite then maoni manyu ni mariko mwiroreri wa Kikuyu podcast. Maoni manyu ni mariko inyue murona atia? Thirikari ni ra mind about mwananchi wa kawaida, or they are all minding about their own businesses? Au ni atongu na kiorona magikira maundu maya? They have a lot of money. So maikia maundu maya marigwo aya nduka mataemetwe miera tukogia tax toni makambia kurira guku kama taemetwe miera. But magiukaya tuli maigire ithatu ini citu no menye niki andu marumira matekuna mundu maumire guku niko Kikuyu podcast. Mani manyu mariko nyumora atia? Thank you very much. It is what it is, ladies and gentlemen.